I grew up in a small town as well, middle of nowhere, out in the country. And like most small towns out in the country, if you grew up the same, you'll know, small town, they're normally a bit rough, all right, but then surrounded by very, very posh villages. Funny combination. Same thing in London, really. You get streets that are really posh, right next to streets that are a bit rougher, right next to each other. And the main difference between very posh people and more working class people, right? Posh people, nice to your face, slag you off behind your back. Working class people, slag you off to your face, nice behind your back. Isn't it weird? I'm having a go at posh people. They don't upset anyone, do they? So they're like, lovely to see you, Marjorie. Do come again soon. Okay, bye-bye, bye. Bye. Working class people are more sort of, here he comes, mate, you look alright, dick. You're not going out looking like that, you wanker. Go to the bar, you prick. Go on, go get the drinks, you wanker. Off you go, knobhead, go on. Yeah, good bloke, isn't he? Bloody good bloke. He's like a brother to me. I'd lie down in traffic, I'd take a bullet. I would take a bullet for that man. Oh, you forgot something, you thick twat. Well, you would, mate. You're thick as shit. Go and get the drinks, you arsehole. Telling you, I won't have a bad word said against him. I really won't. Except for all of those. And so I moved to London and now moved back out again, and now I live in another small town. I live in a town called Bicester, right? You might have heard of it. It's known for Bicester Village, yeah. It's a well-known, it's an outlet village, a designer outlet village, Armani, Gucci, all that bollocks, right? And it is the most, this is a fact, it's the most visited place in Britain by Asian tourists. They love Armani and Gucci and all that. They love it. They've got Big Ben, London Eye, everything's the most visited place in Britain, right? To the point, our train station, when you come in, there's announcements in Mandarin, right? Which is great, I love it. Because I get home from gigs like this, late at night, I get to see pissed people waking up, hear an announcement in Mandarin and going, what the fuck? What the fuck, Dave? Dave, what have you done? What have you done? How are we in Shanghai? This is not a stag do, you nutter. Oh, I love it. It's quite an angry town where I live. I'm quite an angry person, to be fair. I lose my shit all the time. Constantly lose my temper in the car. Have you ever had road rage with someone and then realise you know them? That's a weird moment. Like, what the fuck is... Oh, Gary. Go on, mate. The only thing that calms me down in my car, right, the indicator noise. I love the noise of my indicator. Some of you know what I mean. My new car's a lovely, slow, ponderous indicator. You know that one, that? Calming, isn't it? It's like, take your time, what's the rush? Didn't like my old indicator, judge it. You know that one? Like, come on, put out your ages, you could have gone then. Oh, piss off indicator. Yeah, some of you are finding this bit funny, some of you not so much. And that is because you've got a Range Rover and you've never used your indicator. You've got no idea, you've never heard it. You just pull out with self-importance.